If you're looking to spice up your weekend drinks beyond plain vodka shots, there are plenty of delicious options that are easy to enjoy. For a sweet twist, try a strawberry margarita, cosmopolitan, or kamikaze cocktail, each featuring fresh ingredients and vibrant colors. For some tropical vibes, you can also indulge in a Malibu sunset, caipirinha, or classic piña colada for a refreshing twist. Mix peach schnapps with orange juice or create a fruity drink with vodka and citrus juices. If you're feeling adventurous, a Mai Tai or a Cape Codder is sure to please. To elevate your cocktail experience, consider a pink gin fizz or a sparkling white wine spritzer. With these cocktails, you can enjoy a fun night in or out without the burn.